about to transform the car here. Thanks to TESLADMV. If you have wheels that look like this, you can check these out. Alright, so that's how one side looks. Still got that. Back to the other side here. The OG side, which is great. I love these wheels, but we're gonna switch them up. Alright, here we go. We're about to put this wheel cover on. You gotta remove this piece here. And take this off. And then line it up. That's hilarious. And line it up. There you go. Push it in. And then grab it by the inside rim to get each section.
Yeah, tell them that that's a possibility that I'm trying to.
Yeah, and it was that easy to put the wheel cover on. It honestly took seconds. And just like that, I got protection on my wheel. Are you kidding me? That was so easy. I wish I got these sooner. That is so cool. So you do want to hold on to those, of course, too, for whenever you take it off. So you do have to take this off, and then you just simply put it on and clip it into place. Just doing it by grabbing that middle area. And boom. Alright, looking like one last clip we need. There we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Incredible. Wow. There we go. Now it's fully on there. Whoa. Transform my wheels just like that. Look at the before and look at the after. Wow. TESLADMV wheels. Look at that. Tesla actually doesn't make this exact product for these wheels. So that's where TESLADMV comes in. And they make this to look incredible. Wow, look at that. Taking this thing off, taking that off, the front with the other ones. And then just like that. Put it in there. And yeah, boom. Took me just about a second. But you might just want to get a pry tool to pop that off when you're ready. How epic. Look at that. Really gives a different look to the Model 3. Already have black accents on everything, so, and it protects your wheels. Like, might as well protect your wheels. So let's grab the last wheel cover. Alright, so last one. We just take this off. Simple as that. And then boom. We take this and line it up with the air cap. And then boom. I'm actually doing it with one hand. Recording with the other. So that's how easy this is. Wow, they are super nice, premium quality. They feel amazing. They are protecting my wheels. What more could I ask for? Honestly, that is so cool. Be sure to check out TESLADMV. Wow, here we go. I get to finally look at my car with new wheels on there. That is incredible. All right. Go ahead and put these wheel covers away in the front. And let's look. What? New car alert. Are you kidding me? I feel like I just got a new car. This is so cool. Alright, be sure to check out TESLADMV's website. They have some of the best wheel covers and a lot of other cool stuff. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day.